Hello everyone, I'm Ashvika Rekha from Gujarat. I'm student of IDLS online diploma program, June 2026 batch, and I would like to say that I'm really happy that I joined this program because before joining this, I was very doubtful that should I join this program or not, because I was not aware of idols. Yes, I've watched videos in the lockdown, Tushar sir's tutorials of choreographies, and suddenly I remembered that, and I knew that I can trust idols. So I enrolled in this program, was very excited to start the journey, and when after every class I saw that sir was watching us watching us all the time. He saw every minute things. He gave feedbacks on every minute things. Also, he was so patient that he listened to everyone's doubt and cleared everyone's doubts so patiently. Even if the doubts were not so solved, or even if some was struggling, after the class also he would take out some time and clear their doubts also. I think no one does it, even if it is online or offline, because there are some timelines that classes should run in this much time also, and after that it's our duty to do our homework and practice. But the doubts after the class too, after the class also sir cleared everyone's doubt and made sure that we were not struggling. And I think that's the best part of the whole journey. I got to learn the foundations of every styles. I was dancing from a long time, but have never focused on foundations. I've never got training on the foundations, and I'm very thankful that idols gave me that, because I have understood now that without the foundation, how I would create a beautiful building. So yes, foundations were important, and I'm happy that I learned it and practiced it so well. And about the history classes, first of all, I thought that why would someone learn the history of dance? How would it help? But now I understand that knowing history was important because it helps us bring the essence of that style in our dancing. So I'm happy that I got to learn that also. And apart from dancing, we got to know about why warm up and cool down are important, why we should prepare our body before doing any physical activities, how to prevent our injuries. And there is a class on content creation also, who teaches us content creation in the dancing program. And I think this is one of the most well structured, best quality education for dancing. I have never witnessed this kind of program before this. And if I compare all the online and the offline classes, I think this is one of the best program I have enrolled in. And I want to say that I'm very thankful to Shejin sir and Idols for making this possible. I have improved a lot from what I was before. I was always struggling while doing freestyle. At least I'll gain a little bit of confidence to do that, and not properly I'm able to do freestyle still, but I know that if I continue to practice more and more and more, I would achieve it one day. And I'm so much happy I did it, because the way sir is dedicated, to make us improve. It gives us inspiration to practice more and improve ourselves also. So thank you so much, idols. Thank you so much, Srijan sir, for supporting us, guiding us, and making us what we are today. Thank you.